how to fix if your Honor 200 keeps restarting. So to fix this auto restarting issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here tap on accessibility features. Now click on scheduled power on off, and from here if you have enabled scheduled power on off button, then tap on this button to turn it off. After turning off this button, your phone will not restart automatically. But after turning off this button, if you are still facing the auto restarting issue, then the next solution is try updating your phone's software. So for that, open settings, scroll down to the end and click on system and updates, and then click on software update. Now from here check if your phone's software is up to date or not. So if it's not updated, then tap on download and install to update the software to the latest version. Now after updating the mobile's software to the latest version, the auto restarting issue will be fixed. But if you're still facing the issue, then the last solution is open settings again, scroll down to the end and tap on system and updates, and this time tap on reset. Now tap on reset phone, and here again tap on reset phone option to confirm. So when you will tap on this reset phone option here, it will reset your phone back to factory default, and everything from your phone including accounts, apps, data of apps, music, photos, files, videos, everything will be deleted. And after doing this, the auto restarting issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix when your Honor 200 keeps updating or keeps restarting. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.